First up, from the home of the Chicago Bulls, give it up for Team Chicago! Stephanie Izard! Jonathon Sawyer! And now, from the home of the Golden State Warriors, put your hands together for Team San Francisco! Chef Casey Thompson! Chef Cosentino!
Tonight, you are going to be using basketball rules, and we are dividing the competition into two 24-minute halves. And the team with the highest combined score for both dishes will win another $15,000 on top of the 15 they already won. Plus, they will get the bragging rights and the trophy of the City Food Fight Championship. Let's start by having you make your city's signature sandwich. You know what that is. A perfect handheld dish to eat while you're at home watching your team take the court. This is Double Dribble. You're gonna love this. You have to dribble this basketball the entire time you shop. The three of us are gonna keep an eye on your two teams. Only one way to find out who the champ is. Would you guys rather have smaller carts? I can go one smaller.
Started.
We're going.
I didn't do that. We're gonna do some lamb meatball sandwich across between Italy and Greek.
We're gonna do a crab and lobster roll.
24 minutes.
24 minutes. We have to plan a meal, grab ingredients, and talk at the same time while not drafting a basketball.
Oh my gosh. I think it's a banger.
Go.
Okay.
Roll and cook. This sandwich has everything that you want. You've got this beautiful bread that's been lightly warmed in the oven and toasted.
On your side hot?
You've got this rich tzatziki with refreshing dill and cucumber and lemon. I opened up one of the meatballs. They were perfect. These rich meatballs with so many flavors on the inside, plus that feta and Parmesan for the salty notes.
It smells like Greek town over here.
Then this acidic, salty, briny, herbaceous relish over the top.
Flavor town to Greek town to Italian town
There we go.
to party town. We're here for Chicago, the trophy, the cash, and the bragging rights.
It looks yummy and delicious.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it.
Yep.
It's so much faster.
Nice first round. Great job, everybody.
Whew.
All right, chefs, to present to you first for Chicago, Chef Steph Izard, Chef Jonathon Sawyer.
So we wanted to showcase a couple other neighborhoods in Chicago with our sandwich. We've got some lamb meatballs sandwich.
The lamb meatballs have feta, mint, preserved lemons, garlic.
Then on the bottom, we have a little bit of a tzatziki. It's got some jalapenos in it. And on top, we take olives, capers, dill, and parsley. A little bit of tomato, celebrating both cuisines.
Wow.
That's a bite.
Tobias had a little dance going.
You know, what I really love about this is it has tons of salad herbaceousness that you think of when you think of like fatty meat in a handheld vessel.
All right, fire away, chefs. What do you got for us?
So we have the quintessential Dungeness crab roll, which has Dungeness crab, but instead of mayonnaise and lemon juice or whatever, we made the green goddess dressing that was founded in San Francisco. And then topped it with those beautiful oysters that we find in San Francisco Bay.
I think this is delicious. I think the butter lettuce is really like a nice touch. It's like silky and elegant. And I think of the crab in San Francisco with that butter lettuce. You've got these herbs on top that really give it a lot of nice flavor. And I think the crunch is undeniable.
All right, judges, time to write down your scores. 20 points available in taste, 20 points available in gameplay, and 10 points for plating. Let me tell you that I thought both of you did an excellent job, very representative, and the scores reflect it. Out of 50 points available in the first round, Chicago with 40, San Francisco 41.
Ooh, it's so close.
41, dudes.
All right, Team Chicago down by 1 point. It's still anyone's game. You now have to shop and prepare a winner's dinner. Ta-da! Thank you very much. Here's the deal. 24 minutes to make a winner's dinner featuring marshmallows and chocolate bar. Unless you guys want to go for all three.
Nah.
I have so much faith and confidence in one of your two teams are going to win. Who's going to win?
Chicago.
Okay. Are you the one to go get the trophy?
Yes.
Go then.
Okay, we gotta figure this out.
Oh, well done.
7.
Marshmallows. You gotta torch them so you can really bring out that charred flavor to go with the char on the steak.
Nobody wants marshmallows, but I think we have a plan.
To make it a s'more,
Okay, let's go.
3.5 minutes, 3.5.
I'm gonna stop these now.
On the skirts.
Yep, I think we're good to go.
What about all the other seafood?
It's coming out of the oven right now.
You ready to plate?
let's do this.
First, we put down our perfect chocolate marshmallow avocado situation. Steak's gonna go right on here.
Okay. Then I'm gonna carve the outside skirt steaks and put them over top.
We need to put seafood on top.
Then we got scallops. 3 pieces of scallop, too much? No, we're celebrating, right?
If you have it, do it.
Scallops, beautiful. Shrimp, 2 shrimp on each.
Seafood salsa on top.
Whoa.
Wow.
This looks so good.
90 seconds.
Asparagus pull. Asparagus down first. Beautiful. We utilize that as the anchor to put down the bone marrow s'mores. And then next to that, the half crab shell that was filled with crab and lobster.
Actually cut the crab shell in half, kind of shaped where it just held the salad perfectly.
And then it's tomahawk time.
I see Chris cutting the steak. It's very rare.
There's 2. I'm coming right behind you. Go.
Here.
And don't forget, we got sauce.
30 seconds.
Use sauce.
Yeah, I'm on it.
Chef Casey's got the largest cast iron pan,
Yes.
trying to nappe out that rich chocolate sauce. Winner, winner, big steak dinner.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it, Chef. Stop working.
Done.
Up first, Team Chicago.
So when we think of a winner's dinner, we wanted to do surf and turf.
So we marinated the skirt steak, charred it, finished in the oven. We grilled the scallops, pan-seared the shrimp.
Skirt steak, my favorite steak. It's really delicious.
Not to be outdone, Team San Francisco. What do you have for us?
So we decided to do. You okay?
It's so big. It's just.
We were asked to cook for the winning team. So, I mean, these are big boys, right? And they're looking for that big steak.
You have a full bone-in steak, asparagus. You have Dungeness crab. You have lobster.
First look, I won the championship. Like, this is a thank you for winning and scoring 50 points tonight, rushing for 3 touchdowns. I just did my thing. I love it.
All right, judges, it's time to decide which winner's dinner was worthy of champions. 20 points available in gameplay, 20 points available in taste, 10 points available in plating for a total of 50. Both teams fought hard, worked great together, really worked great together. Very impressive dishes all through the competition. Both teams have won $15,000. There's another $15,000 for the champ as well as the trophy. Time to find out the final scores. Going into this, Team Chicago down by 1 point to Team San Francisco. 50 points available. Go to Chicago. Out of 20 points in gameplay, 16. 20 points in taste, 17. 10 for plating, score of 8 for a 41, 81 points. Congratulations. Team San Francisco need a 40 to tie, a 41 to win. 17 out of 20 in gameplay, 20 points in taste, 16 out of 20. 10 for plating, 8 for plating for a 41 and a score of 82. Congratulations. Team San Francisco, nice win.
Okay, ready? Here we go.
Franco, take it away, my friend.
The best food city in America. Make some noise for Team San Francisco!